Good morning, Andrew. Today Andrew is 8 weeks old. Where's your little guy?
I know.
8 weeks?
Yes.
Hi, buddy. Hi there. How are you? How are you? Good morning. Are you saying good morning? Yeah, good morning. Hi there. There's Andrew getting ready for the day. Peekaboo! Here's Nicholas playing with a balloon, huh?
Let's go.
There's Andrew again. Hiccup. Andrew has the hiccups.